The palette that you are going to be working on today is over fact or opinion. And the AASL standard is 5, which is explore. You're going to be discovering and innovating in growth mindset developed through experience and reflection. With more and more information being created and shared, it is hard to decipher what is a fact and what is an opinion. Knowing the difference between a fact and an opinion is important. A fact is a statement that can be proven, and an opinion can be based on facts or emotions, and sometimes they are meant to deliberately mislead others. So that's why it is important for you to be aware of the author's purpose and their choice of language. The discussion question is, what strategies can you use to identify a fact from an opinion? And there are several resources on this page that's going to help you to distinguish between the two and use strategies to help you. The resources that I have chosen for you will better help you understand what a fact is and what an opinion is. The Fact and Opinion PowerPoint and 3 videos will help you get a deeper understanding. The 3 videos include examples as well. The Separating Facts and Opinions resource gives you the opportunity to analyze facts and opinions through history using historical resources. The Buzz About Facts and Opinion will help you differentiate between fact and opinion by watching a video and completing a handout. The Fact and Opinion Scavenger Hunt will provide you the opportunity to look for facts and opinions in various magazines and then classify and sort them. The next 3 resources are online games that can be played to distinguish between facts and opinions. They include Kahoots, Room Resource, and Quizizz. It is important for you to understand the difference between a fact and opinion because it will help you evaluate the reliability and usefulness of any text you encounter in the future. And you will have to be able to know the difference between reliable information and non-reliable information.